Brandon with his cape. Auntie Dub made for him his little napkin cape. Why don't you go see your doggy? Go see Scout. Oof. Sure. As soon as I put the camera on, you fall. You're not gonna be on tape walking, huh? You're like, no way. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Mama, mama, mama. No, there you go, huh? Yeah, you know you're not supposed to be on the stairs, right? You know you're not supposed to be on the stairs, right? That's the phone. Let's go see who it is. Come on. Oh.